What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Roblox account to your Discord profile. First, make sure you're not currently in a Roblox experience and close the Roblox client. Next, open a Discord application. From here, click on the gear icon on the bottom left to access your user settings. Head to the connection section, where you can connect different accounts to your Discord profile, such as Steam, Spotify, or Roblox. If the Roblox icon is not showing up in this list, click on the arrow icon and then select the Roblox logo. A new browser window will open up. Make sure you're logged in with the correct Roblox account before proceeding. If it's the wrong account, click on Change Account. Otherwise, select Continue. On this page, you will see that Discord will request access to your Roblox account. Under Accounts, select your primary Roblox account, and then scroll down before selecting Continue. When confirming and giving access to Discord, you'll be able to share your personal Roblox profile, your inventory information, and group information for your account via Discord. Next, head back to the Discord application. You might have to close and reopen your connection settings before seeing a change. Your Roblox connection will show up here and you'll be able to toggle this option on or off. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.